pursuing digital transformation and empowerment in our communities. They are about unlocking opportunities, but also possibilities, because we know that they will help in building the kind of country where the success of young digital entrepreneurs is not a rare success, but becomes a regular feature of our daily stories. It is where young people don't have to overcome a mountain of unnecessary obstacles to contribute meaningfully to society. This launch also reflects our broader vision as the Department of Communications and Digital Technologies, which is to expand digital access and empower South Africans with digital skills development. Every time we open a lab like this, we take a major leap towards digital economy that works for everyone, so that a child from Mangaung can have the same opportunities to succeed as a child from Sandton. We are, however, not doing this alone, and this would not be possible without the partnerships that we've been able to build with STEM Power, with DHL, with NEMISA, with SmartAid, and also Ripples for Change.